just watching time go by. Ain't it funny how time can fly? Sometimes we just stand still. We're just waiting for the time to kill. I know sometimes I'm scared to run out of time, but I'm scared that I'll just run out of rhymes. Cause everything is fine, got me in mind, I just need to let it go. Feel the sunshine, no rewind and no fast forward. I'm still looking forward, looking towards a brighter day where no one gets bored. I've explored other dimensions, ones without tension. Have so many to thank, too many to mention. So I'm just watching the time go by. And ain't it funny how the time can fly? Sometimes we just stand still. We're just waiting for time to kill.